First snap of the game is a Mahomes pass. Over the middle. That's Marquez Valdez-Scantling. Mahomes out to Sky Moore. First down from Miami's 36. Mahomes caught. Noah Gray. Mahomes quick throw. That's Rashee Rice. Rashee Rice. Touchdown.
We love, as offensive people, Jason, when defenses blitz, the easy answer for us is screen out on the perimeter.
And the tough thing as a secondary, when you know you're coming with pressure, you have to trust it.
Tyreek Hill has it, and he flips it to Waddle. Oh, he's looking spry here. First down, a little razzle-dazzle. Tua, quick throw over the middle. There's Hill.
Paramount for Tua.
It's Ahmed on the field next to Tua, and he's got it. Oh, that was sniffed out nicely. Instead, it was just a good tackle. 3rd and 5. Mahomes throws it outside. Rice. Nice grab to move the chains. 2nd and 4. After the gain of 6, it's Pacheco. He's got a first down. The wave has broken out here in Frankfurt as there's a catch over the middle by Tony to the 45. 4:34 to go, second quarter. Holmes retreats and finds Sky Moore for first down and more. Mahomes, tons of time to his left. He's going to run it himself. And there's Phillips playing two-hand touch. Calling it 3rd and 3 officially. Mahomes with the edges rushing around him. Finds McKinnon. Jerick McKinnon. Touchdown. Flag is down, but it's in the secondary.
This is outstanding. Get ready to freeze it. He's going to run traffic on that linebacker to allow Jet McKinnon to slip out underneath. Really good job there of understanding, like, match coverage, right? And using Kelsey as kind of a decoy to get McKinnon open.
First down play for Tua is a flip to Ahmed, who has a nice gain on first down because Miami gets the ball after halftime as well. They can use this juncture to get back in it fast. And there's Waddle, and they're at midfield. Tua turns, has it over the middle to Tyreek Hill, makes a move, and Tyreek Hill. Tua out to Hill, and that goes nowhere. Ball's loose. It is loose and picked up and lateraled. Brian Cook, touchdown. Kansas City.
What a play is right. Trent McDuffie making the tackle, is able to strip that thing out of there. That was unbelievable. Mike Edwards does a great job. He can't get any more yardage. Here, Brian Cook, you take it and get the ball, and it's your turn to run it down the sideline. What a turn of events right there.
Well, there's a huddle of zebras inside the 5. What are they discussing? That's Wilson. That's a first down grab right there. So a nice drive starter there. Tua grabs it, flips it, and that is Smythe. Tua fakes his way and has Hill for a first down grab. They need points and fast. They can't really settle for anything but 7, it feels like. Tua for the end zone, and Wilson. A touchdown. No flags. 31 yards.
Man-to-man coverage. Look at Wilson goes inside that defender. McDuffie plays outside. Tua just gives him an opportunity. He goes up and makes that catch. Now this is why I love it. Freeze it right now. Look at this pass protection that Miami has for Tua. That's why I wanted some of those play-action shots.
Quick throw out. Hardman. He's through. First down. Mahomes. Steps up. Ball's loose. Ball is loose. And the Dolphins are on it. Tua from the shield. Flips it to his right. Wilson has it. Makes a move. Flag is down very late.
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness. Defense, number 95. Penalty will be enforced half the distance to the goal. First down.
It's a flip. Mostert with the crease. Touchdown.
We're going to see 3 Kansas City guys overrun the play as they're going there trying to make this tackle right here. All 3 of those guys end up outside, and Mostert does.
Atop the 50 as Mahomes sets up from the 25 and a quick throw to Hardman on first down. Nice gain, right? Fades back, steps up, looking for Valdez-Scantling. In and out, and there is no flag. It's another run for Mostert, up the middle. Mostert gaining yards and chunks now, gain of 8. Huge play, Tua throws it, Hill goes back and gets the yards anyway. It looked like he was dangerously walking back, working back, and gave up the first down, but he gets it anyway. That's Waddle open for a first down towards midfield, gain of 13. Cook on the stop. Tua throws over the middle to Tyreek Hill, first down. Tua. Incomplete. Mahomes on 3rd and 1. He's gonna throw it. He's trying to find some time, and he's got to throw it away. First play on this must-have drive is a handoff to Mostert. Mostert still on his feet, and he gets it past midfield. Where the Dolphins find themselves right now, Mostert on the carry. Mostert is free again. 3rd down. 67 seconds to go. Tua flips this one up. Incomplete. He's looking for Wilson. 4th and 10. Let's try it again. 63 ticks to go. Tua fumbles it. And that's the way the game ends. On a wayward snap. And it sounds like Arrowhead as victory formations.
How about this crowd, Rich?
Yeah.
And that will wrap it.